June ni thum sang ni somni parukani Iran-in Kuwait United States sipai munpui abeya United States te chuanin an chang len nga lani tin Trumpan Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu lo vin deu sepani oma heng teng te hi he video hin kan ron ri kan ron soi zawanga aboi tha khop maya Iran le US te hi ei deal sign don nei lama hetiang hianin anhanin kap le vela emponi se ka shil du cheu chu tuna hian MVM Educational Institution noi akum sang ni somni paruk sang ni somni pasariatan Bangalore Karnataka College Shangsha te chuanin admission ati thayani Elite Health Science Pharmacy Computer le IT course Management Business Paramedical Physiotherapy Hospitality le program Shangsha admission ati thaya unaw mun khata omdu emo thian zau mun khata omdu course inang lo zir du te ta na ti chi don emema heta phone number anda 86385 82182 hianin abiak thei don ani admission in lo zukti ve theu don ya ole tuna chodin kan react chanang.
All right, now to the Middle East. The United States and Iran trading fire overnight, complicating the ongoing peace talks.
Tuna hianin in rem na siam do an in beme kani abuai thak na mem chu deal an siam don na ya hian deal hi an siam du lo nge tiang hianin an hanin beile threida ni.
You think Iran escalating the situation, carrying out strikes in several of America's Gulf
Iran lampang hian hetiang hianin boruak thalo zok siam tumin ma an lo la
allies, including Kuwait.
Our chief
Kuwait hian be ni ti choni thil pakhat ka soire du chu nimin pia khanin nge nimin azok kan riek law nimin ahan Trumpan Lebanon le Israel in kara in ka hairon pol e deu top mai ni engwang kan ti chuan Israel lampang hian Lebanon chimlam Lebanon an Beirut an khopui Beirut chimlam pangkha Israel hian in be antuma khata khan Hezbollah hu mun poimo tak tak kha lo om si Hezbollah te Iran tanan poimo si chu wang chuanin Iranin Israelin Hezbollah te omna mun Lebanon khopui Beirut chimlam pang abeyan I chuan United States ten hian deal kan siam lawang ti in United States avowa chu wang chuan United States chuanin Lebanon le Hezbollah le Israel in kara te hian in ka ha ya puang ta ani ti chuanin news tam takina an report dana chuan Trump le Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu kha anin bia khata khan Trump chuanin engthil nge iti tak I army keima awang chawa jail tang lowini kha khatiang khanin Trump hianin Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu atong khum septin news media tam takhianin an report ti to zonin kan confirm thayani Trump tan zona thir ul thak veang Iran nen deal an siam trap to Israelin Lebanon ti khana be Hezbollah ti abe na lampanga tihan abe ya chuwang chuanin Iranin atok ta etin an warning ve maka hemi baka hian Iran hian Kuwait United States mun poimo tak tak te abe ya airport te po abe ya India mi pakhat athibokani India mi le sa pakhat athibokani chuwang chuanin tuna hian Middle East boruak hi a thavio don mo kan ti lai hian kan be sei ang lo takin thil aron kal le deu thut mai ani.
Foreign correspondent Trey Yinks joins us live from Tel Aviv with the latest. Hey, Trey.
Yeah, hey guys, good morning. Overnight, Iran attacked both Kuwait and Bahrain with
Kuwait le Bahrain abe ani. Rampan hi Middle East rampan hi abe.
Drones and missiles.
Drone le missile mangin Iran hianin alova be ani. Drone te missile te hi engzat ngen la neyang ti hi riat achakom a riat thei box lo an mani Iran lampang hian an soidu box lo.
We know several people were injured and significant damage was caused to Kuwait's international airport.
Kuwait International Airport sipay mun puipo ni chi alo he Iran lampang hian an kapani mitam takin liaman tuara hian om boka thizinga India mi tel bok.
CENTCOM released a statement saying that an additional wave
hi CENTCOM lampang ina an tu chuan Central Command Middle East lampang ina tu chuada chuanin Iran hianin drone mangin Kuwait United States sipaite be atuma amaro chu kan Air Defense United States Central Command Air Defense te hianin drone tamtak drone omzati Iran ina drone an ka chhuwa zata soilowa United States US CENTCOM lampang ina drone an ka thak zata soilo amaro chu he kan hre thei chu multiple drones te hiani amje chu drone tamtak Iran lampang hian an kap choka chu United States CENTCOM Air Defense te hianin an zawai deuh thoina lo intercept amaro chu intercept vek ani lo wangin drone kaltang anoma wang khan khang drone khan airport te po kha avaka fu amaro chu hei CENTCOM lampang ina an ron thuan ron chhuwa chuan America sipai America army le sa le khatiang until poimo infrastructure poimo tak tak te kha ti chiat ani lo ti in CENTCOM lampang chuanin thu an lo chua ve ni
of Iranian drones, a central asset island in the Persian Gulf. According were in response to U.S. strikes that targeted Keshem Island in the Persian Gulf.
United States lampangin Persian Gulf Keshem Island kha an be yani soi to ang khan United States ina Keshem Island an be kami clear kar an be na chante po Iran ina engamoni thila tia wanga US ina phuba alak na kha ani khatianga phuba alak na kha Iran lampang chon ti hianin phuba an ron la let ve ani inka hai chun puang reng tho a om reng tho amaro chun in kap reng tho a chan chu pakhatina aron ka to kha pakhatin phuba la pakhat phuba lang na kha adang in phuba lo la let ve le hetianga anin ka reng chon in engti kongjong engti ka ma di dan siam thein ka ring lawane.
According to the IRGC, CENTCOM confirmed striking an Iranian military ground control station on the island and described the targeting as defensive in nature.
CENTCOM lampang chuanin an mani len mani in ven nan kan sipai te ven him nan Iran obbe rama Central Radio Command Center drone ka chona te kha an be yani mo asan chu drone an ron kap chok ta takalai mun atang khan palian kap chok an kap tha panga na ka chua an tumlai takhan United States CENTCOM lampang chuan va be yani kha Iran lampang chuan an lanangang mai ti hianin phuba an ron la thile liam te no mani.
Before that, U.S. forces also disabled an unladen oil tanker that was attempting to sail toward an Iranian port in the Persian Gulf.
Kami mapo khanin United States lampang chuanin Iran longchol na mun lampan na longkal pakhat kha han lo kap to bok ani soitong khanin United States depon naval blockade anti Strait of Hormuz lama han kan thredon
By
ya
firing a Hellfire missile into the ship's engine room. The vessel had received multiple warnings over a 24-hour period.
darkar somni pali chung he long hi warning an pe ya darkar somni pali warning an pe arei khop mai in ngai to na hun po an nei thave fuang khatiang khanin United States na warning an pe kha an ngai pui mo du lowa chu wan chonin United States che chonin hemi long helai hi a engine room hi ta hianin an vakap ta no long hi akal son thei to lawa nei.
The exchange of fire comes as U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio was on Capitol Hill Tuesday, indicating that talks with Iran continue toward a deal and that Iran's supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei is involved.
Hetiang ani mek lai hian Marco Rubio chuan tuna hianin Iran tenen kan in bemeka he kan in biak na hianin tuna Iran an supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei hi atel ve to ani tin United States as secretary Marco Rubio hianin aron soi heng he ani.
They have agreed to negotiate aspects of their nuclear program that just a month ago, or just a year ago, they were refusing to even mention, much less enter into discussions about. That is.
Thakalta le kumkalta te khachuanin Iran lampang hianin nuclear chungchang reng an negotiate du lawani amaro chu tuna hianin nuclear chungchang negotiate hi an remti ve to ani tin Marco Rubio hian asoi.
It's not a guarantee that ultimately it will lead to a deal. I think there are indications.
Khatianga Iranina nuclear chungchang negotiate an remti awang khanin deal kan siam don tina ani chuang lo amaro chu an ron remti ve to hrimhrim apo kha masona ani tin Secretary of State Marco Rubio chu in soyane
Out there that he is increasingly engaging at some level, although all of his communications have been in writing and through intermediaries.
Kan in biak na tamzo khi chu Pakistan kaltlang te le zia ka khatia in thon chu anina amaro chu kan hriat thei china chuanin Iran supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei khapa kha atel ve to ani tin Marco Rubio chuan ron soi bok ani hete po hi apui mo ka tia chan chu ama kha chuanin khapa kha ai nam noi vak lawa ka hliam ve deuh kha ani hliam te kha atuara chu wang chuan an ai o khan Iran sipai te IRGC te khanin US an dor tlang puya an president te po in rol tur chu ni ama ro chu Iran sipai ten athule hlan ngai poi mo vak lo nge update an pe vak ngai lo nge kha bang don ti vel te kha thu om bok kha kan react to
President
kha
Trump posted on Truth Social that he told the Iranians it is, quote, time for you one way or another to make a deal. Guys?
So Trey, to make a deal, you'd have to deal with a guy, the supreme leader, who seems engaged. Remember, we took out his dad.
Donald Trump upon social media Iran hian eng ti kongjong point deal an siam ngai to atiani apoi mo bera chuanin tuna hianin deal siam an tum in ka haipon puang Trump pa meu point Israel le Lebanon Hezbollah te in kara in ka hairon puang non le ti chuanin Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu point Hezbollah Beirut chimlam Hezbollah te omna kha beizui to lo arem ti te pokan huani khatiang khanin thilo oma chu wang chuanin deal hi an siam theidong ya dong lo la chiang lo achan chu heting hianin Iran in phuban ron la ni Kuwait Airport te abeya chu wang chuan Iran na hete Kuwait le Bahrain te khatianga aron be na hi United States se chuan phuban lak let vele arin oma khatianga pakhatin akapa pakhatin phuba lo lak khatianga ni charchar kha chuanin entika nge dilan siam theyang o ti hi ke chu ka zo na ani khati zong khatun tum news atana kan han update kan han soi zau thei te chu ani video le kan in mule theu do ne